In this video, we'll guide you through the fundamentals of data structures and algorithms in C++ step by step. Join us as we explain the concepts, provide in-depth code explanations, and demonstrate practical implementations. Whether you're a beginner or need a refresher, this video will give you a solid foundation to excel in coding interviews and real-world applications. Understanding these concepts is crucial for any aspiring programmer, as they form the building blocks for efficient problem solving and software development. Now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out the way, let's hop right into it. Now, before we jump into coding, let's discuss some essential concepts. Data structures are containers that allow us to store and organize data effectively, while algorithms are step-by-step procedures for solving problems efficiently. The choice of data structure and algorithm can significantly impact the performance of our programs. We'll begin with an array, a simple and commonly used data structure. In this code snippet, we start by including the necessary header file iostream, which provides input and output operations. Inside the main function, we declare an array called array with a size of 5 and initialize it with the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To access these elements in the array, we use the index notation. For example, array2 refers to the element at index 2, which is the third element in the array. Now, you must remember that array indices start at 0, so 1 would be 0, it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We output the value with the std_cout. Next, we modify an element in the array by assigning a new value to it. In this case, we set array3 to 10. We again use std_cout to display the modified element. To traverse the array and print all of its elements, we use a for loop. The loop variable I starts at 0 and iterates until it reaches 4, which is the last valid index in the array. Within the loop, we output each element followed by a space. Finally, we end the line with std and 1l. Alright, moving on, let's explore another popular data structure, which is linked lists. In this code, we first include the iostream header file for input and output operations. Then we define a structure called node, which represents a single node in a linked list. Each node contains an integer data value and a pointer to the next node, denoted by node, next, node, here, next. Inside the main function, we declare 3 pointers, head, second, and third, which will point to the nodes of our linked list. To create nodes, we allocate memory using the new keyword and assign the addresses to our pointers. In this case, we create 3 nodes, head, second, and third, and next, we assign data values and link the nodes together. We set head data to 1, and head next to the address of second, indicating that the next node after head is second. We similarly assign values and link the remaining nodes. To traverse a linked list and print its data values, we use a while loop. We start by initializing a pointer, current to head, as long as current is not a null pointer, indicating that it would be the end of the list. We output the data value of the current node using std_cout. Then we update current to point to the next node, current, next, and continue the loop. Finally, we end the line with std_end. Alright, and that's going to conclude our introduction to data structures and algorithms in C++. We covered arrays and linked lists, which are 2 fundamental building blocks of programming. If you guys enjoyed or found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.